High in the Peruvian Andes, where the air is thin and the sky feels close enough to touch, rises Vinicunca, the legendary rainbow mountain. Its slopes ripple with surreal bands of red, gold, turquoise, and violet, each color born from ancient minerals and centuries of geological magic. For the local Quechua people, this mountain is sacred, a living spirit that guards the heart of the Andes. The journey to reach it is a test of endurance and wonder, winding through icy peaks, grazing llamas, and endless horizons. And when you finally stand before it, the silence, the colors, and the sheer majesty of nature take your breath away. Vinicunca is not just a mountain, it's a miracle painted by the earth itself.